If you would like to see your truck featured on the Tundra Dude 34 YouTube channel, it's very simple. All you got to do is be a subscriber and send your information to tundradude34@gmail.com. Take as many pictures of your truck as you want and just give me a write-up on all the modifications you've done and maybe some future modifications, whatever you want to say about your truck for the viewers to see. What's going on, everyone? Hope you're having a great day. So we bought another item for the Platinum Pro. I feel like since we bought the Platinum Pro in 2017, 2019 has been the year we've done more upgrades than anything. I mean, don't get me wrong, in 2017 we initially started with the Platinum Pro build, but we're continuing on in 2019 to add more stuff to this Tundra. Now today is something very special because it's under $100. One thing I like to do is save you guys money. We don't all have hundreds and thousands of dollars to spend on crazy parts all over the place. So I like to show you when I find something that's not as expensive, but just as big of a deal, if you will. So this right here does make a difference. I can't wait to open it and show you. This is what it came in right here. You are more than welcome to pause the video and let me know what you think this is. But we're going to open it up together and I'm going to show you what I got. Literally $99.97. Let's check it out. All right, let's see what we got here. So, you guys know I'm all about no chrome. De-chroming my entire truck has been the thing I've been doing since I bought this truck. And even before this, I had the TRD Pro, which had no chrome on it. Well, there are a few pieces left to do. And that, my friends, let me just get everything out. Okay, cool. Is on the interior. From AJT Designs, we have ourselves some pieces that are going to go over the chrome that is inside the cab. If you don't know what I'm talking about, before I break these out and show you, check this out. All right, so we're in the truck now. So the stuff, obviously, this is going to be covering. We're not going to have this chrome anymore. This will be blacked out, and these will be blacked out. Now, the thing I'm super excited about is especially with this one right here. If you've been a Tundra owner for more than a day, you know that this chrome really reflects the sun outside, and it is very annoying. It'll actually blind you at some points if you don't put anything on top of this. When I travel, I usually put my hat on top of this because of how bright this chrome gets when it reflects up into your eyes. So there's not much more chrome in here I have to deal with. So we're getting rid of this, which isn't even chrome, but it'll be blacked out. So now this will be blacked out. These will be blacked out. I just really have to deal with this. And I guess the Toyota logo can stay chrome, but that's pretty much it inside the cab for me. Okay, so part number one that we got, as we just spoke about, inside the truck. This is the one that's going to go around the cup holders. This is the one where the sun reflection comes in really bad at certain times of the day when the sun's at certain angles in the sky. So we're not going to have to deal with that anymore. No more ugly chrome, and we're not going to have to deal with that reflection. So that is one piece. Number two, this is the one that goes around the shifter. All blacked out. Looks like pretty hardcore plastic. Made in the USA. Not bad at all. And number three, I just did this for a good time. This is the part that goes over your key fob. If you have a 2017 and older Tundra that's not connected to the key like the 2018 and up is, you could pop that around, make it look a little more rugged. So why not? So those are the three items I bought there. In total, with everything, was $99.97. I feel like they will look really good on the truck for sure. Okay, and just so you know, there is another item that is not here right now because I bought it on pre-order from AJT, and that is the Climate Knob Trim Rings, okay? And that will go around the vents in the truck, so they will be here soon. As soon as they get here, we will also install those. So Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook at TundraDude34, TundraDude34@gmail.com. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and thank you for watching.